Eighth instruction from logical group is XRAM. Logical exclusive or accumulator with memory. Whenever letter M is there, number present in H and L represents the memory. Whatever the number represented by memory is exclusively odd with contents of accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. When any one of the general purpose register represents the number, represents the data, when general purpose register represents the address, gives the data, at that time addressing mode is register indirect. Here HL register pair represents the memory, gives the memory, points the memory. Therefore addressing mode is register indirect. This is 1 byte instruction, flags affected all. Here for output, if 1 is present odd times, then only output is 1, otherwise output is 0. If 1 is present odd times, then only output is 1, otherwise output is 0. After execution of instruction, contents of memory location, number present in the memory location, whose address is specified by or represented by HL. Address is specified by HL. Exclusively odd with content of accumulator and result is stored in accumulator. Here flags affected all, carry flag reset, auxiliary carry flag reset, remaining flag gets affected. Let in accumulator number C2 is present. In H 98, in L 00, H and L together gives the memory. Go to that memory, take the number, and this number is used for exclusive or operation with content of accumulator. C2 in accumulator, write down C2 using 8 bits. 7B is in memory location 9800, which is given by HL register pair. Write down 7B using 8 bits and perform exclusive OR operation. 1 is present odd times, output is 1. 1 is not present odd times, output is 0. 1 is not present odd times, output is 0. 1 is present odd times, output is 1. 1 is present odd times, output is 1. 1 is present odd times, output is 1. 1 is present even times, output is 0. 1 is present odd times, output is 1. Write down the equivalent using hexadecimal form. Here most significant bit, the equivalent is B, and for least significant group of 4 bits, the equivalent is 9. That means after execution of the instruction, the content of register the content of accumulator becomes B9.